Good day and welcome to my simple Habit Tracker Notion template tutorial. I use it to track my habits and it is very user-friendly. It can be used by anyone, so feel free to share it to your friends and family. I also have the same template in French, which can be found in my Gumroad profile. More information will be given in the PDF that comes with the template link. Now let's get ready to dive in. Concerning the weather widget, if you do not live in Montreal, you can go on Indify.co and start creating yours today based on your actual location. Next to it, you can see a surprise box that we will get to see at the end of the tutorial, so stay tuned. Let's just recreate an habit in my Daily View habit tracker. As you can see here, I created an habit yesterday, May 6th, which was to go for a run today, May 7th at 7 a.m. I did not go for a run. This is why I have the red button in the streak property and 0 points in my daily points property. Quick note, the points are related to the priority property, so you get a range of points from 0 to 90 based on your priority level so you can see their value. Since I set up the reminder an hour before, I got a notification in my inbox today at exactly 6 a.m. You can see on my dashboard that I received the notification 5 hours ago. Right now it is 11:33 a.m., so it's pretty accurate. Alright, let's open a new page by clicking the button New. Let's call it the new habit. Go buy grapes. When you open the page, you can choose an icon fitting your habit. In this case, it will be grapes. For the date, let's put May 7th. We will include the time, so let's put 11:36 a.m. so I can be done by 12:01 p.m. We will set the reminder on time of the event. Now, back on our priority property, we will set it to medium and the status property stays on, not started. While we wait to receive the notification, in approximately 2 minutes from now, we can start writing a note to our habit tracker. In this case, it will be buy green grapes. As you can see here, the date property turned blue because we set up a reminder, which had not been fulfilled yet. We can also see our habits per week if we like that option or via status, not started, in progress, or done. We also get to see through the calendar view, and you can sync it with Notion Calendar, which is also pretty great. Now our time is up. You notice that our date changed from blue to red, so we see that it's actually time to go buy the grapes. When we go through our inbox, we can see that we receive a notification to go buy the grapes at 11:36 a.m. We can then change the status from not started to in progress, which change our streak from red button to ice. If we decide to change the status to done, we automatically get a check mark in the done for the day property. You can change the end time of your habit. It's an option, so it's not required. It's just so you can better track your time at the end of the day. You can also choose to delete the reminder when you are done, as to remove the sense of urgency, but it will not erase itself automatically from your inbox. You will need to manually do so by putting it in the inbox trash. Now let's enjoy the surprise. Pedro, Pedro, Pedro.